What is up, guys? It's your boo, it's your bae, it's your girl Dejanae, and I'm back with another video. And today I lost my footage to my actual intro of this video, but today I'm going to be doing a well requested makeup look that I had posted on Instagram. And you know what I'm saying, everybody just liked it, and I actually had wore it again, and I had got so many compliments on it, so I was like, let me recreate that look for you guys to show you guys how I get that look. And that's exactly what I'm doing. Yes, I usually film my intro and my outro at the same time, like after I'm doing my makeup, and that whole little file just got lost. I don't know where it went. I had lost actually the face part when I did my face makeup, but then I found that, so you know what I'm saying. So happy I did that. But let's just go ahead and get straight into it. Before we get straight into it, go ahead, comment, like, subscribe, and like I said, it's your boo, it's your bae, it's your girl Dejanae. Let's get into this video, okay? Testing. So I'm starting off first with my Anastasia Banana Cream Contour Shade. So I use this for everything, and I'm just applying that on my eye with the flat shader brush and just working it into my eyelid. And then after that, I take my fluffy blending brush that I've had for years, guys, literally, and then I blend those harsh lines out because we don't want any harsh lines at all. Then I take my banana powder, no, buttercup, Sasha buttercup powder, and I take that same thing and I just set that eye so my actual makeup will not crease, and you know what I'm saying, everything is set properly in its place. So yeah. Next, I'll be taking the Zulu by Juvia's Place palette. I know everybody's hating her right now, but I still love her products and I already have them. So yeah, I'm taking the orange and pink, and I'll be putting that in my crease. And this look is actually really simple. It's too simple actually, that I literally could do this every day with just different colors. So yeah, you can do the same look, just different colors. Now we're taking the Sahara by Juvia's Place, and we're gonna take those two red colors, you know, brick red and that light pinkish red, and we're gonna blend that into the corner. Well, I was gonna say corner. We're gonna blend it into the crease. Boom. So next, I'm gonna be taking my Morphe palette. Yes, boo. I don't know exactly which one this is, but I'm going to be taking two dark brown shades, and I'm going to be putting that on my lid right there, as y'all see. So yeah, that's like our base color at the lid, and then back in our Juvia's, and we're going to go for that yellow and orange color, and we're going to smoke out that like reddish pink look. So we're going to smoke it out with orange and yellow to give it like a ombre effect, and it won't be so harsh. And it looks so sunsetty and beautiful. Now I'm just blending, and I'm going to go back into that Saharan palette, and I'm going to take those two golden colors. And trust me, if your shit ain't beat up like mine, then you ain't really using your palette. Sorry, girl. Let me say that one more time. But yeah, I'm just going to put that on my lid right there in the inner corner, and I had to redo that one a little bit. And now I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible. I think this I used this for prom, which was 2016 boo. So I don't even know what it is, but it is a good primer for my blue color for my inner shade, like my inner corner. And my videos are still ratchet. I still cannot get these voiceovers right. Now I'm gonna take my Better Than Sex mascara and applying that to my lashes, just so my actual lashes have something to like. So now brow time. I'm going to be plucking my brows, as y'all see. Ugh, disgusting. Get that shit tight, mommy. And then we're gonna be taking the Kat Von D signature pencil, and I'm gonna be going in with that. On me, fill up if you feel lonely, pull up if you feel lonely. Ayy, bra-ta-ta-ta, shot, something again. Okay, now I'm gonna be concealing And yeah, back to silence. Shut. Better when I'm drinking. Okay, now I'm gonna be taking my Dejanay's highlighter in Galleria, and that's gonna be my base for my makeup, so I can get like that glowy makeup look. You know what I'm saying? I just wasted some on my shirt and my lashes, but it's all good. We're wiping it on the face, and I'm gonna be taking my Real Technique 301 brush. Yeah, 301. Taking that brush, boom. I'm gonna be blending it in, and it just gives you such a glow, so I like that right there. Yes, boo. Now I'm gonna take my shine control because I do have combination skin, so of course I gotta put it where I'm oily at and where I'm gonna get oily at. So boom, blend it in the skin and do it again. So now I'm gonna be taking my favorite. I love this foundation, 355 Coconut by Maybelline Matte and Poreless, because I have combination skin. Again, use which one you need to. I'm going to be applying that with the brush, but I'm going to be taking the Real Technique Diamond Sponge, and I'm going to actually blend my skin in with that because this fucking sponge is awesome. Period. Period. Bite me, that excite me. He said this probably, yeah, it might be. You eating it, do it precisely, cause I'm a millionaire. This pussy pricey. Bite me, it excites me. Okay, I just showed y'all. Cause I'm a millionaire. This pussy pricey. Feel up alone. Come up together lonely. I can't not just listen to the beat and not sing. Well. At the top, shut some. Okay, so now we're taking that cream color. Yes, boo. And I'm going to be using that as my highlighter. I love this color. It gives you such a bright highlighter, and it mixes with the banana powder, which I love. And now I'm going to be taking just a little of that foundation on the back of my hand and just using that to help the, the shit blend together. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm going to help it blend together so it won't look like, pop highlighter. And then the sponge does a really nice job of helping me also. And then we're going back into that cream contour palette. I'm going to be taking the darkest shades. And yeah, I did not want to use that brush. So I'm using that. And boom. Now for the rest of this video, I'll be talking, so y'all enjoy, because I cringe at these voiceovers. I do. Love y'all. And then I'm going to be going in with my brush again and chocolate, and I'm going to be contouring my nose. So when I contour my nose, I like to take it all the way down and then all the way up. I don't like to go in here. I don't like to curve, like just go straight up. It just looks better. What I'm doing. For my blush today, I'm going to be using Ginger Binge Kilowatt by Rihanna. You know what I'm saying? This one right here. So I'm going to be taking the less sparkly one, this one over here, which sometimes I actually use it as a, what you call it? A highlighter. So now I'm going to take the blender again. I'm going to just wipe this off. And then I'm going to use my highlighter, Galleria. I'm going to use my Real Technique brush. So now that I'm all highlighted up and I look like a freaking disco ball, I'm gonna be taking my Urban Decay setting spray and I'm just going to be setting my face with it like it says to do. Hold up, girl. We had a little, I forgot to wipe that off right there. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Sorry I lost my file at the end of the video, but come and like, subscribe. Hope you guys like the look. I don't have much footage of me sporting the look, but I do have plenty of pictures in this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video.